Hello viewers, today we are going to see 10 interesting general knowledge questions. First question, which country is called the land of snow? Iceland, Canada, Japan, Ireland. Answer, Japan. The general west to east flow of weather pushes cold air from Russia and China over the Sea of Japan and then into the mountains along the west coast of Japan. This means that the ocean water is always contributing moisture into the atmosphere, which eventually falls as snow. Second question, how many ounces are there in a pound? 12 ounces, 15 ounces, 10 ounces, 16 ounces. Answer, 16 ounces. Third question, what is the national sport of Norway? Cross-country skiing, football, table tennis, rugby. Answer, cross-country skiing. Fourth question, which country has produced the most coffee? Vietnam, Brazil, Colombia, Indonesia. Answer, Brazil. Minas Gerais is by far Brazil's most important coffee producing state, as nearly half of the entire country's coffee production is based there. Rich soils and higher elevations in the region make it perfect for growing the country's most famous specialty coffees. Fifth question, how many sides does a snowflake have? 8 sides, 4 sides, 6 sides, 3 sides. Answer, 6 sides. All snowflakes contain 6 sides or points owing to the way in which they form. The molecules in ice crystals join to one another in a hexagonal structure, an arrangement which allows water molecules, each with 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen atoms, to form together in the most efficient way. Sixth question, which country's flag is most colorful in the world? Belize, China, Mexico, Italy. Answer, Belize. The country with the most colorful flag in the world is Belize with 12 colors, many of which make up the coat of army that provide this relatively young flag with its complexity. The Belize flag, like many others, is steeped in political history, and the prominent colors represent the political parties. Seventh question, which country have 3 capitals? Netherlands, Russia, China, South Africa. Answer, South Africa. The only country in the world to have 3 capitals is South Africa. The South African government is divided into 3 sections and therefore based in 3 diverse capitals. Pretoria, Executive, Cape Town, Legislative, and Bloemfontein, Judicial. Eighth question, what is the currency of Japan? 1. Ruble, yen, renminbi. Answer, yen. It is the third most traded currency in the foreign exchange market. After the United States dollar and euro, it is also widely used as the third reserve currency after the US dollar and the euro. Ninth question, which country gifted Statue of Liberty to USA? Canada, Israel, India, France. Answer, France. The Corpus statue, a gift from the people of France to the people of the United States, was designed by the French sculptor Frederic Auguste, and its metal framework was built by Gustave Eiffel. The statue was dedicated on October 28, 1886. 10th question, which animal doesn't make any sound? Camel, giraffe, zebra, kangaroo. Answer: giraffe. The long neck of giraffes caused their taciturn nature. Giraffes do have a voice box, but perhaps they couldn't produce sufficient airflow through their 13 feet, that is 4-meter long trachea, to vibrate their vocal folds and make noises.
Thank you, viewers.